Understanding candlesticks is essential to reading charts and understanding investing concepts. Candlesticks show market sentiment by visually representing the size of price moves with different colors. Traders use the candlesticks to make trading decisions based on regularly occurring patterns that help forecast the short-term direction of the price. Similar to a bar chart or a box and whisker plot, a daily candlestick shows the market's open, high, low, and close price for the day. The candlestick has a wide part, which is called the real body. This real body represents the price range between the open and close of that day's trading. When the real body is red, depending on the visual format, it means the close was lower than the open. If the real body is green, it means the close was higher than the open and the price increased. Just above and below the real body are the shadows or wicks. The shadows show the high and low prices of that day's trading, the highest and lowest price that the stock was worth that day. Candlesticks are created by up and down movements in the price. While these price movements sometimes appear random, at other times they form patterns that traders use for analysis or trading purposes. There are many candlestick patterns. Patterns are separated into bullish and bearish. Bullish patterns indicate that the price is likely to rise, while bearish patterns indicate that the price is likely to fall. No pattern works all the time, as candlestick patterns represent tendencies in price movements, not guarantees. They serve as indicators. A bearish engulfing pattern develops in an uptrend where sellers outnumber buyers. This action is reflected by a long red real body engulfing a small green real body. The pattern indicates that sellers are back in control and that the price could reverse and decline. A bullish engulfing pattern is the opposite. With bulls having established some control, the price could reverse and go higher. An evening star is a topping pattern. It is identified by the last candle in the pattern opening below the previous candle's small real body. The small real body can be either red or green. The last candle closes deep into the real body of the candle 2 days prior, or 2 candles prior. The pattern shows a stalling of the buyers and that the sellers are taking control. More selling could develop. A morning star is the exact opposite. An evening star could indicate a reaction to a resistance level, and a morning star to a support level. They indicate that price could reverse further. A bearish harami is a small real body that's red, completely inside the previous candle's real body. This is not so much a pattern to act on, but it could be one to watch. The pattern shows indecision on the part of the buyers. If the price continues higher afterward, all may still be well with the uptrend, but a down candle following this pattern indicates a further slide. A bullish harami is the opposite. A doji, a candlestick which has a virtually equal open and close, and therefore a skinny body with a high and low wick. This serves as a potential reversal indicator for both upwards and downward price action. A dragonfly doji is a doji with a wick to the bottom and the open and close kept high. It shows buyers/bulls are making sure price stays up and are resisting the sellers/bears, which could be to bounce back from a key support trendline or demand zone. A gravestone doji is a doji with a wick to the top and the open and close kept low, perhaps to bounce back from a key resistance trendline or supply area. As you can see here, there was a key resistance trendline to which the price reacted. And in the candlestick price action, there was a gravestone doji, followed by a bearish engulfing, indicating that a reversal and further continuation could occur. If you had sold regularly, you could have avoided losses, And if you had a sell/short trading order, you could have made profits even. Price action is extremely useful to analyze in its own and to understand other indicators. By using a variety of indicators to come to a consensus, you can become highly profitable. Grow your portfolio and change your life by investing in the right ways. Don't forget to like and subscribe. With us, you can learn and master investing, business, and finance just by watching our videos. The opportunity is right here. Take it and you'll see your life change.